Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see how to do division operations in Excel. So, so as you know, this is my Excel interface. So click on the A1. So here you can do it like this: 4 equal to 4 divided by 2. So what we will get? We will get 2. We will get 2. I can increase some. Yeah. What we will get? 2. And if I give something like 8, yeah, 80, and I want to divide it, and right result, result equal to A2 divided by A1. So then we will get 4. Then we will get 4. So same thing. We are doing in multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So same thing will be applied to the division also. So here I'll just remove this. From here and delete. So here I will give some 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I have given some numbers here. So here I will give 5. Here I will give 5. So now I have to divide each number by using absolute reference. So how can we do it? So we have to write equal to, and first of all you have to write A1, and after that mod, sorry, A1 divided by dollar, so dollar B $1. So dollar B and $1. So we have to divide like this. Then you have to get 2. Then you will get 2, right? Because 10 divided by 5, you will get 2. So just you have to drag it like this. Then you will get all the answers. Then you will get all the answers. So I hope you understand how to use the absolute reference. So we have done, like we have implemented that absolute reference in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I hope you understand the absolute reference. The most important concept we have to learn by that, so that you can get the answers very quickly for the larger rows. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class about division operation in Excel. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.